In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a sales tracker in Glide. By the end, you'll have a simple, clear place to log what you sold, who bought it, and for how much, all inside your Glide project. First, head over to the Glide website in your browser. If you're new to Glide, it's a no-code platform that lets you create powerful apps from structured data. Once you're on the site, sign into your account. Use whatever login method you normally use, and once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard with your projects. Open the project you want to edit. Choosing an existing project keeps everything in one place, so your sales tracker can live alongside features you might already have, like customer profiles or product lists. Give the project a moment to load so the editor fully initializes. Now, look to the right sidebar in the Glide editor and choose Data Grid. The Data Grid is where you can view and manage data in a clear, table-like format. Think of it as your spreadsheet inside Glide, perfect for organizing sales information in rows and columns. If you don't see it immediately, expand the sidebar or scroll through the available components until you find it. Once the data grid is in place, name it Sales. Clear naming helps you stay organized as your app grows. When you or a teammate returns later, you'll know exactly where sales information lives. Consistent naming also makes it easier to reference this grid elsewhere in your app. Next, add the columns you need. Create a column for product name. This will store the item or service you sold. Add another column for customer name, so you can quickly see who made the purchase. Then add an amount column. This should be formatted as a number or currency so totals and sorting work correctly. If Glide offers a currency display option, select the one that matches your typical transactions. As you add these columns, keep your data clean and consistent. Capitalize names the same way, and use a single currency format across all entries. You can always refine labels or formatting later without losing data. With your grid named Sales and your columns in place, product name, customer name, and amount, you're ready to make it live. Go to the top right corner and click Publish. Publishing updates your app so the sales tracker is available to users according to your sharing settings. If you need to make changes, just return to the editor. Glide will let you publish updates as you go. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.